Teresa Freed with Johnson County Government. It's our goal to stop the spread of COVID-19 in our community. We also want to make sure you have the latest information on our efforts. For data on how COVID-19 is impacting the county, visit our dashboard on jocogov.org.
The Johnson County orders, both the mask order and our other social restrictions orders with respect to businesses, is in effect until the 31st of March. You may be aware that there have been some recent changes in the Kansas City, Missouri orders. They're really kind of restrictions which have to do with some things that we will continue to have in place. They will no longer require for approval of large conferences. We're going to continue to require, if you're going to hold a large conference or a large meeting that's not excluded by our order, that you give us a plan for that. There's the biggest difference which has been between Kansas City, Missouri and Johnson County has had to do with enforcement. Kansas City, Missouri has actually been going out and issuing citations to businesses that were not in compliance. In Johnson County, while we do have an order in place for enforcement, we've been relying on our individual cities to do that enforcement. And for the most part, that's been happening with respect to an educational process happening with those businesses on the part of the county and the city police or other officials. So we want to continue to encourage that kind of compliance with the orders right the way through to the end. The best estimates that we have are that by keeping these orders in place through the end of March, there is a reduced likelihood that we'll see another spike coming up as a result of the new variants or the older types of virus that are still circulating in the community. Remember that we are still seeing lots of cases. We are continuing to provide testing here at the Johnson County Department of Health and Environment Monday to Thursday. You need to either live or work in Johnson County to have access to that. We continue to encourage you to come and get tested if you are either symptomatic or have been around somebody who has COVID or have any concern that you might have become positive.
For more information about COVID-19 in Johnson County, visit jocogov.org/coronavirus. You can also subscribe to a daily e-newsletter with the latest data and precautions being taken in the county and state.